Have you ever wanted to get hands-on experience with networking servers or virtualization? Building a HomeLab is the perfect way to start. Today, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know to set up your first HomeLab step by step. So let's get started. Before buying any gear, it's important to define your goals. What do you want to learn from this? Are you diving into networking, experimenting with virtualization, or building your own cloud environment? Knowing your goals will determine what equipment you need. Are you wanting to gain hands-on experience with networking by practicing with routers, switches, and VLANs? Maybe you'll want to get hands-on experience with virtualization by setting up virtual machines using software like VMware or VirtualBox. You can even build your own Linux or Windows server for hands-on learning. Once you've identified your focus, you'll have a better idea of what to prioritize in your home lab. Now, let's talk about hardware. You don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Here's a breakdown of essential components. If you're wanting to experiment with virtualization, realistically you only need your computer, as you can run VMware Workstation on it or VirtualBox to get virtual machines started. You can also use old or refurbished PCs for hosting virtual machines and server software. You'll also need a router and a switch. This will be used to create your own network environment. Having external storage is good for backups and virtual machine files. Make sure you have cables and peripherals for these devices, including Ethernet cables, power strips, and surge protectors. You can find used and refurbished equipment on places like eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, or even your local IT surplus stores. Start small and upgrade as you need more power or features. Now, let's talk about software. The right tools can make your home lab a powerful learning environment. For virtualization, you should use VMware Workstation, VirtualBox, or Proxmox. For operating systems, you can use Linux distros like Ubuntu or CentOS and Windows Server. Networking tools include Packet Tracer, GNS3, or EVE-NG for network simulations. If you want to explore cloud computing, consider AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. Most of these tools have free or trial versions, so you can experiment without breaking the bank. Once you have your hardware and software ready, it's time to set up your lab. First, you're going to want to connect your devices by setting up your routers, switches, and your PCs. Then you'll want to install your software, loading the operating systems up or the virtualization platforms. Next, you'll want to configure your network by assigning IP addresses to your devices, setting up subnets, and testing connectivity. Finally, start experimenting. Create virtual machines, build web servers, or even simulate network traffic. Don't forget to take your time and enjoy the process. Troubleshooting is half the fun and a great learning opportunity. A big part of learning and experimenting is documenting the process. Keep a log of your setups, configurations, and troubleshooting steps. Use a notebook or digital tools like Obsidian or OneNote to take notes through your process. Take screenshots of your configurations and write down any errors and how you fix them as they occur. Once your basic setup is running smoothly, start expanding your lab. You can add more devices, experiment with advanced configurations, or even integrate with cloud services. And that's how you build your first home lab. Let me know what your plans are for your home labs in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.